In real-world environments, connected devices don't always crash completely. Sometimes they freeze. This often happens on kiosk devices, such as ticket machines, ordering terminals, or information screens. An application becomes unresponsive, the touchscreen stops reacting, and users can't complete their tasks. When this happens, the usual options are limited: a full system reboot, or sending a technician on site. Both cause downtime, disrupt users, and increase support costs. This is where device control updates make a difference. A device control update, or DCU, is one of the key capabilities of Kynetics Update Factory. It is a specialized update designed to perform a specific action on a device. Instead of updating the entire system, a DCU targets the problem directly. It delivers a temporary Android component that detects the issue, collects diagnostic logs, safely restarts the application, clears temporary data, and restores normal operation, without rebooting the device. Once the task is complete, the DCU sends the logs back to the server and removes itself automatically. Nothing is left behind. The device is back in service within seconds, operational, responsive, and ready for users. Here's another DCU use case. In industrial and embedded environments, Android-based devices like vibration sensors, smart controllers, or connected machinery can occasionally suffer from firmware bugs. These issues may cause incorrect readings or erratic behavior. For instance, a vibration sensor reporting random spikes due to flawed filtering or threshold logic. Traditionally, fixing such issues would require a full system update or a manual intervention, which can be time-consuming, risky, and disruptive. With device control updates, the solution becomes precise and streamlined. To create a DCU for your embedded Android device, you follow 4 simple steps. First, you start by creating a small, dedicated Android Studio project specifically for the update, keeping it focused only on the fix or feature you want to deliver. Next, you integrate Kynetics DCU API into this project, adding the required libraries and configuration so the DCU can communicate with the Update Factory agent. Then, you implement the actual firmware update or correction logic, such as adjusting parameters, patching code, or changing configuration values on the target device. Finally, you build the DCU package, producing an artifact that can be uploaded to Update Factory. We also provide a Gradle plugin specifically designed for Update Factory. Once you add this plugin to your project, you can simply run its task to build and publish the resulting artifact directly as a software module and distribution to the Update Factory dashboard. This turns the usual upload and packaging steps into an automated part of your normal build process, eliminating the overhead of manual deployment. To learn more about the Update Factory dashboard, watch our latest video linked in the description. Once the DCU package is ready, you deploy it from the Update Factory dashboard as a standard software update. On the device, the Update Factory agent automatically deploys the device control update in a controlled and isolated manner. The DCU then executes the update procedure on the target system, applies the required changes, and reports detailed results and status information back to the Update Factory server. After the job is complete, the device control update is cleanly removed, leaving the device in its normal operating state. Device control update is ideal for specific lightweight maintenance tasks, such as applying system component firmware updates, updating system configurations, resetting specific components, performing targeted peripheral updates in user space, and minimizing system rebooting. With device control updates, embedded Android devices remain accurate, programmatic, and fully operational, while engineers can perform targeted updates remotely and efficiently. Contact us to know more about Update Factory and request a free trial to start your remote fleet management today.